Hi everyone, thank you for checking. We have two new additions to the frog family. That's Shadow and Waffles. Shamey has a cone on his head. She's just perfect without the cone. Shadow. You must watch him try to play. It's so funny. Let me get a good roll for you. Play! Good play, dogs! Where's your sister? Where's Lina? I did not mean to startle you. He's tiny. Oh, yay! Okay, look at him. Can I come play with you? Can I come play with you? Ta? Ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. We got them about, what's the time? 5 hours ago. Thank you guys so much for watching. To see the new dogs, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the notifications on for every time I post a new video. So thanks for watching. Bye.